Alright, this is a very quick tutorial on how to use Fusion 360 and UGS together, because I found every other tutorial a bit confusing or not super clear, because this is a very old platform, I guess. So to get started, you're going to need UGS. So you can go right to their website or the link in the description, downloads, and you need the nightly builds version, apparently. So that's not going to be found here. As you can see, for source code, nightly builds, or older releases, please go here. You can visit that GitHub. It's not going to be anywhere up here. You scroll down a little bit, and you can see latest release, previous release, and nightly build. Select your operating system. I'm just going to do Windows 64-bit. Alright, and once that's done downloading, you can go ahead and open up that zip file. And just extract it wherever you like. I prefer to put it just in my desktop. Alright, so now it's here. And the actual program will be in the bin. And what you're going to want to do is, well, you don't have to do this, but I like to do this, send to desktop. And now you will have a shortcut right on the desktop. You'll need this later, or at least the where you installed it. That's important. So the next thing you're going to do is download the plugin, and what you'll need to do is go up here to code, download zip, go ahead and open that zip up. Alright, and this folder, this just goes into your app data percent, or percent app data percent folder. And it'll be in Autodesk Fusion 360 API, and this is an add-in, not a plugin or anything else. It's an add-in, so it goes in here, and you can just go ahead and drag that in there. And this is a very important step. It won't work unless you do this. You have to delete this dash master at the end, and now you're done. You're good to go. You don't have to touch anything in here. You don't have to read it. You don't have to do anything. So once you have all that, you can go ahead and start Fusion 360. Okay, here we are. I prefer to just go to a project that's already ready and go to utilities. It used to be called tools, now it's called utilities. And you're going to want to go to add-ins. And you can see right here, UGS Fusion 360. I already had it, so I already have run on startup checked. You're going to want to start it, and you can select this if you want. I don't see why you wouldn't select that, but whatever. And then you can go over to actions, post to UGS, and the first time you open it, this is going to be completely empty. Not empty, it's not going to have the proper information. So that's why we need to know where we installed UGS at. So if you sent it to your desktop, you can right click, file location, and then you're going to want to hold shift on your keyboard and right click, copy as path. Alright, and now you have that copied. Go back to Fusion and just paste that in there, and you're going to want to get rid of these little quotation marks at the end. And then in here, post to use for a 3018 Gerbil. You're going to want to type in gerbil.cps, and using UGS platform. If you did exactly what I just did, yes, you are. And then down here, what to post. So see how it's under setup? That would just post everything in this setup. It really depends on how you you make your setups in Fusion 360, but you can post specific operations or specific folders, however you organize it. That way you can do like a bit change or something, and just post separate operations for that. So I only have one setup I want to post. So you'll just do setup, select setup, save settings, and then you press post. And that should start the program. And once you get in there, everything should be already loaded in for you. Yep, here it is. And you should be good to go.